Hi, it's Brooke with WTI.
If you've been looking for a water distiller, I highly recommend this one by ROEDEER. It's so easy to use. It was well made. I appreciate the quality of the distilled water that I get, and it works so quickly at purifying, distilling that water so I don't have the impurities, contaminants, and VOCs in my drinking water. And it's really nice with this control panel. It's a touch screen. You can increase or decrease the heat depending on what level you want to have distilled water at, or even the time as well. It gives me delicious drinking water. This is so convenient for any home for appliances. I love using it for my humidifier, my coffee pot. I even wash my hair in the shower with it. So if you're looking for a way to get distilled clean water without buying it constantly, this is such a unique distiller in my home, and it provides me with a 1.1 gallon pitcher full of distilled water. It's so easy to use. I don't have to think about it. It shuts off automatically. It comes with these filters as well, and it does a great job of cleaning my water. And you can see all this hard water buildup on the inside, and it keeps it in there. And this is what is getting removed out of my water. So it's great for my hair, my skin. I can clean it with this citric acid that it comes with maybe once a week and get my stainless steel beautiful and clean again. And it's really easy to use if you are looking for a way to add either a distillery in your home for appliances, personal beauty care, or even to distill alcohol, essential oils. This is a option that I highly recommend. It's so convenient, easy to use, and I have really enjoyed this being in my home.
I love it, but that's just my point of view.